In this video, I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends not opening. Now first is we want to open up League of Legends client, go up here and choose settings, come to League of Legends and then choose repair. Now after that we want to find our League of Legends right here, right click on it, go to properties and compatibility, activate disable full screen and run this program. Once you've done this you can open up CMD, right click and choose run as an administrator. Now once you've done this you're going to type these 3 commands and you're going to press enter after each one. ipconfig/release and you want to do ipconfig/renew and you want to do ipconfig/flush DNS. Now once you've done all 3 of these, what we can do is we can go to our firewall. From in here we want to put our Riot games in there, so allow an app. From in here change setting, allow another app and find our Riot games. Now easiest way is you find Riot client, right click on it, open file location, right click on it again and open file location, and then you should have the Riot client right here. What you can do is you can copy this up here, click on it, Control C, click browse in here, click on here, Control V and open. Just like that. Click up there, paste it and enter, not open. Then you select the one, press open and add it. Now Riot client should be added in here. As you can see I have the one I already added and the new one. What you can do is simply activate it for both private and public and then click OK. Now after this, if it still doesn't work, what you can try is simply uninstalling Vanguard. So come down here, go apps and features, search for Vanguard and uninstall this, and then restart your PC and load up League of Legends. It will say there will be an update and that's simply to reinstall Vanguard. Now if none of this works, the last solution is you can try and uninstall League of Legends. So click uninstall and reinstall it. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.